Today I am featuring these professional workmen doing a concrete foundation leveling for a 3-bedroom house. They are using pre-mix to do this concrete slab. Take a good look at these professional workmen. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. As you can see clearly, these workmen are doing the casting of a 3-bedroom house. Yes. So this is a 3-bedroom house in the making, and they are doing the casting or the slab work for the foundation. So they are doing the foundation leveling and they are using the pre-mix chalk to pour the material for quicker and faster work movements. So they are not using men to mix the material and push it by wheelbarrows. No, they are using the pre-mix chalk for quicker and faster work movements. Yes, so these workmen are very professional and they do this on a daily basis to get the job done easily. So as you can see, you have some of the men moving the material from point A to point B, while other workmen leveling with their float or a straight edge. Yes, so they're just doing a quick and easy job here, and to do the leveling they have chord lines. So they have chord lines set ahead of time to guide them to keep a very level flooring or surface. And as you can see, the walls around, so they are doing two things in one. So they are doing the floor surface, and they are doing the walls, the foundation for the walls, the side walls. And they try to get this as level as possible to make it easy for the tiling job. Yeah, so that's the main purpose of getting the floor super level. That's when the time to do the tiling job or whatever flooring job, it is level and easy to work and deal with. Yeah, so this is a 3-bedroom house in the making, brand new. And as you can see, this pre-mix truck is brand new as well. I feel it brand new. Yeah, getting the job done easily. So you can see they moved some of the material from point A to point B. Just to get the job done the right and proper way. Very professional. These guys are doing a terrific job. If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Yeah, so these guys made the job look easy. No work, concrete work, no construction work is easy, but when you have the love for what you're doing and know what you're doing, you make it look super easy. This is concrete. Concrete is heavy. So there's this thing theory to concrete where you don't lift the concrete. So you just move it from point A to point B. So when they're shoveling, they don't lift the shovel, just move it. So that's what the professionals say. You don't lift the concrete, you move it from point A to point B. So that's what the professional does. Yeah, so this is a 3-bedroom house. Brand new concrete mixer, a portable premix chuck, pouring rich thick concrete to do the concrete slab, the paving of the floor, the foundation. Yeah, so these guys are doing a good job here, and within days, not a couple days, cause they put up these buildings, because these buildings, they're not gonna lay any blocks. They come and they frame it up. I have videos. So you can watch my video with how they do these house. They frame it and then they use the same premix to make the walls. And I have video with doing the roofing. So I think I have all the videos and all the steps with these type of house. So this is the foundation. I have the making of the wall. I have the roofing. So those in the link above or below, you can find the links to these videos, other videos in my channel, so you can check it. Yeah, so this is a 3-bedroom house and they're doing the foundation, the concrete foundation leveling. So for any information and question, feel free to contact me and I will assist you as much as I can. So this is what it looked like when they finish to the leveling. So this is complete. Leave to dry and then they do the next work step.
I'm really going to two truck load after do this. 3 truck. Oh, this is a 3-bedroom. Good look, man. There's a good look. I guess the second time I see it, but the first time I watch it, they call me for do it certain stuff. And watch them from the start to the done, you know. Iron them a drop them in a truck straight iron them. In a year. Iron in a drop so? Yeah, in a year. Get them out. Iron a foundation and stuff. Yeah? Fuck with the rest. I see the rest. Oh, it does a drop when it spin it drop up here. What would I call this now? What would I call this now? Cast the foundation. Cast the foundation. Yeah. Anytime I want to catch it, you know. That could have been them all that will go around the circle. Oh, that's how I start that way. Yeah, look, so I come across, come catch that one. You know, gun. It's end up on water break. Huh? Water break. Yeah, boss, I'll be a trouble there again. Yeah. I will miss more for taking a man up on the maximum pound shot.
What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Thank you all for watching. Until then, see you guys in my next video. Peace.